we did a recent marketing activity with the help of startup, just because these guys are one of them who are our target audience, right? These are the students जिसको हम लोग टारगेट करते हैं, प्लस हम लोग उनके साथ उनके थ्रू और ज़्यादा लोगों तक रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. वी कैन रीच आउट टू मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु आर आवर टारगेट ऑडियंस, एंड सो दैट इज़ व्हाई वी चोज दीज गाइज. ठीक है, हम लोगों ने इनको सिलेक्ट किया. प्लस उसके साथ में एक और चीज़ जो इन लोगों में दिखी, दैट वाज द एंथुसियाज्म एंड द मोटिवेशन टू वर्क फॉर यू. These guys are very much enthusiastic to work for us. Like the experience I had was, I was not very keen to go for this activity जो हम लोगों ने अभी किया, but Shishir and Monil came down to me and they were like, sir करके देखते हैं, it will be very helpful for you, and that is how we went for it. और amazing response मिला, and these guys were working hard since morning to the end evening. जब 11 o'clock का शो खत्म हुआ तब तक ये लोग सारा they were on their toes. So this is how they were, and I really feel कि these guys have something different. जो एक जनरल मार्केटिंग एक्टिविटी होती है, जो जनरल मार्केटिंग टीम होती है, उससे कुछ अलग ये लोग कर रहे थे. These students have the capability to manage the events from the scratch to the end. ये चीज़ इन लोगों ने हमारे सामने करके दी और हम लोगों ने वो चीज़ देखा, एक्सपीरियंस किया. दैट वे these kids have something different in terms of their age factor. Like these are just 19-year-old kids, और मेरे पास और बहुत सारे बच्चे आते हैं जो those who are in college, those who have passed out and they are working currently with some companies, those who have worked with the company for 5 years, but still जिस तरह के ideas सिद्धार्थ ERD है, देन शिशिर है, इन लोगों को जिस तरह के आइडियाज़ आते हैं, इस तरह के आइडियाज़ आना प्लस उसको क्रिएटिवली एग्जीक्यूट करना, ये दोनों चीज़ों में दिस टीम इज़ द बेस्ट जो मैंने अभी तक रियलाइज किया. आई डोंट नो, अभी आई एम श्योर दीज गाइज विल डू ग्रेट इन देयर लाइफ्स, और डेफिनेटली वी आर प्लानिंग टू गो अहेड विद अनदर एक्टिविटी वेरी सून. सो ऑल द बेस्ट.
કેવું લાગ્યું તને શિશિરને એ લોકો એના ફ્રેન્ડ્સનું બધાનું કામ?
Out in many ways. એટલે આપણે આપણું માર્કેટિંગ ને બધું ચાલુ કરાવવું હોય તો વી કેન અપ્રોચ ધીસ ગાઈઝ અગેન. And he is very helpful in nature. In fact, એનું આખું ગ્રુપ સારું છે, એના ફ્રેન્ડ્સ એન્ડ ઓલ. અહીંયાની ટીમ સારી છે.
Yeah.
Good, yeah. મને ગમ્યું. We can approach them again for our this thing. આપણી ઇવેન્ટ માટે બી લોકોને માર્કેટિંગ કરવા માટે કેવું હતું તો કહી શકે એવું છે.
ઇવેન્ટ અને આપણી કંપની બંને માટે.
કે બધા પ્રોફેશનલી કરે છે ને કરતાં વધારે સારું છે. સમજો? ફ્રેન્ડલી આપણને ગાઈડન્સ આપે, આપણી સાથે ગમે ત્યારે કામ હોય ત્યારે આવી શકે. બધા પ્રોફેશનલ ખાતે તો even we have to think twice, you know, કે what to do, what not to do, whether to call them or not, what to say, what to ask. And in fact આપણને સામેથી સારા એવા સજેશન્સ આપે છે, which practically we didn't know what to do, what not to do. So good amount of guidance to be used. That's great. Done. What?
And we choose them because I see that they are the potential to be a big stardom for the good marketing of our product. I see them enthusiastic, and I think that they can. I thought that they can do better. Our product is a two-wheeler product, and it requires the individual person to grab and market the things, to understand the product. And for the startup, they are good, but they have to be more professional in their work, and they have to learn something more about the promotional marketing. Thank you very much.
We always wanted to do something on our own. So like one fine day, like it was 11 or 12 in the night. Shishir called me up. ગાડી ગઈ કરી. I told him કે શિશિર રાત થઈ ગઈ છે. શું હમણાં આપણે કાલે કોલેજમાં વાત કરી. He was like, no yaar, let's start something on our own. તને બી ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ છે માર્કેટિંગમાં, મને બી ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ છે માર્કેટિંગમાં. Let's start up with a small thing, whatever you call it. He said, we'll start with advertisements on rickshaw bags. થી આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. જે બી નાના નાના ક્લાયન્ટ્સ મળે આપણે we'll call them up and we'll tell them we'll get your advertisement done on the rickshaw bags. I said fair enough, we'll do that. So the very next day we got up with the thing and we searched for the clients who can give us the advertisement for the rickshaw bags. Also we had contacts with the rickshaw people who could give us their thing for the advertisement purpose. Then gradually and slowly we started discovering new places for our advertisement things. So it had to be Inox, Center Square, 7Cs and the prime locations in Vadodara, holding spaces, everything. So we got the spaces available for us, for our clients. Also we started off with canopy advertisements marketing at Inox. We had worked with Endeavor, then a beauty store, automobile company. So gradually and slowly we started achieving some kind of success by doing all these things. And the only thing behind everything was Shishir's hard work and his thinking and his positive attitude behind everything. I was like कभी क्या થઈ જતું હતું કે like શિશિર આ વસ્તુ થઈ શકશે, આ પર્ટિક્યુલર વસ્તુ જે ડિફિકલ્ટ છે, આમ છે તેમ છે. Behind every my negative thought he had positive mind, positive brain, which led us to many successful events and things which we have done and which we would be doing in the near future. Thank you.
One day, me and Shishir were coming back from college, and Shishir just told me about his idea about marketing and all. He's interested in all that. So I just took that very lightly that time. So I was like, okay, I'll support you, whatever it is. Then after some days, we just went to a party at McDonald's, Inox. So we just found a space there, like, and we both of us like got an idea that let's meet the concerned person here and ask about some, like, what is the procedure of making this place a marketing place. So we just inquired about that. I also developed my interest into all this, and I was very keen to support him further. So till day we are working as a team, and we are very different at nature, but still we are good as a team. We share our ideas and we support each other well.